The Centers for Disease Control and Prevention is urging teens to get vaccinated. In a new report issued Friday, the agency says the number of adolescents hospitalized with the virus rose last month, and nearly 1/3 of them required intensive care. It comes as just more than half of all adults in the U.S. have received at least one dose of the vaccine, with 41% of the country now fully vaccinated. All this as the U.S. now has the lowest number of new infections since March of last year. Michael George is here with the latest. Michael, good morning.
Elaine, good morning. In the push to get more people vaccinated, the focus on kids is taking on greater urgency as many are returning to school and they're socializing more. And new evidence this week shows just how vulnerable they are. The U.S. just entered its second month vaccinating adolescents, but almost a quarter of new COVID-19 cases are in children and teens.
I strongly encourage parents to get their teens vaccinated, as I did mine.
COVID hit kids hard. A third hospitalized in the first 3 months of the year went to intensive care. Nearly 5% were on respirators, a new CDC study found. The agency's director said yesterday she's deeply concerned by the number of hospitalized adolescents. That's one reason health officials are combining kid-friendly celebrations with vaccination events. This one is in New York City. Such events are also about getting accurate information to combat misinformation that's posing a threat in vaccine-hesitant places like Alabama, where Dr. Karen Landers is a health officer.
We are concerned that even if we get through this summer with relatively low rates, that we could see an increase in the fall.
Alabama, along with Mississippi and Louisiana, have the lowest percentages of adults who have received at least one dose, a stark comparison to Vermont, Hawaii, and Massachusetts, with the highest vaccination rates.
I encourage everyone to get vaccinated because of the freedoms this vaccine has provided for me, my family, and my community.
Sally Sliger joined the Get Vaccination campaign after winning Colorado's $1 million vaccine lottery drawing. Incentives are far and wide.
We will start with number 18.
Even in California, where 38 million doses have been delivered, the most of any state, California's Governor Gavin Newsom is giving unvaccinated people the chance to win $1 million. And New York just announced starting Monday, children and staff at schools and summer camps will not be required to wear masks, even if they haven't been vaccinated. Health officials cite the state's lowest in the country COVID rate. Jeff?
Michael, thank you.